Okay, you don't even need to write these down, you just try them. So go ahead and try them, right? There's 9 of them. So technically, and you should be able to do this in about 5 minutes. So I'll mark my time here, 5 minutes or less. Give it a try and go. If you want to do this on your own, you go for it. A trick, if you're looking, if you just take a second, a trick for only for trailing zeros. Okay, trailing zeros, you can cancel 1 for 1. Okay, so you can cancel that 0 with this 0. So it's just 2 over 5. Instead of going divided by 10, divided by 10. So if you have, 300, right, 3040 over 5,000, let's say, right? You can cancel trailing zeros. So this goes with that. You cannot cancel zeros that are in between a number, okay? So that doesn't work. So just keep that in mind. 3 goes in there once, 3 goes in there 7 times, 7 goes in there once, 7 goes in there 8 times. So that would be your, I show you this work so you know what happened. This just canceling trailing zeros, and you come up with that, okay? So that's simplifying fractions. Won't be necessarily huge numbers, but you should be comfortable with smaller values like that. And you always have your calculator to double check, right? Are you doing it right? And some proportions, as you already have seen quite a few, I just need you to show me the steps, all right? So solve for x in this equation. There are no units involved, so you just have to show me the work. So don't have to circle or do anything like that. You just show me the numbers that multiply and the number that would divide. Okay, so here you have, you can probably tell by that, 3.33. And that's fine like that. And we would have no units there. All right, let's keep going. And there's a bunch of stuff for you to do on page 13. 12 is blank. So I want you to try all of the ones on page 13. And you know what? We're gonna, every once in a while, I'll just call it a day, right? So this is your homework. And you still have 14 minutes left in this class. So if you want to just quickly go over it and just answer them all, go for it. And I will go over the answers tomorrow, and we will correct it as a class. So this is your homework for September 15th. Today's the 14th, right? So we'll say like the homework assigned today is this, page 13 only. And that will be it for today, folks. If you have any questions, always feel free to email me. Feel free to ask in front of the whole class, although that's somewhat intimidating. but we're going to continue tomorrow. And tomorrow I will see group 2 in the afternoon, right after lunch. And so I will post this video as well on YouTube under the ESMR2S playlist.